Well, of course, you can see the background is slightly different. I'm sitting in the car and doing this podcast because I had some family emergency and had to be at the hospital. Yeah, things are kind of settling down here. But then, since I can't move back to the office, I thought let me do a quick podcast from here. Well, if you look at the market yesterday, we could see the Nifty actually rising on the first half and then consolidating for the entire day. Even though it was a fin Nifty expiry yesterday, it was kind of very calm day, I would say, and we are already sitting with some good positions in the gold plus group. Apart from that, so we could see some power actually coming in from IT sector and the banking sector yesterday, and so that's something we could see HCL and Infosys going up really well, especially in the last 1 hour. So that was something really amazing how IT actually powered the market up. Though if you see in the first half of the day, we could see Reliance was ICICI Bank, which was doing good. So uh, that's something that could be. And apart from that, if you look at yesterday, okay, looks like I have some network issue. Okay, so Nasdaq also closed in the green, and that could actually give some more strength to the IT sector. So looking forward to some power coming in from IT sector, and if that about 18,300. Well, I'm looks like my live is not going great because of network issues. I hope all of you are able to hear me. So let's take this quickly. The first thing that I would like to say here for today is that tomorrow, being the monthly expiry for Nifty and Bank Nifty, the volatility is expected. US market closed in the green. The Asian markets today are all mostly in the green, and we could also see that the Dow futures also are kind of cautious and just flat, I would say. But SGX Nifty is indicating a gap up, so we could see a gap up opening close to 18. We closed at 18,250 yesterday, so we should see a gap up opening close to 18,300, which is something good. But then, like we've been discussing, 18,300 could also act as a resistance. So we might see some sell off and a lot of volatility since the market is actually, having expecting the uh, in the I mean the market is expecting the sorry, a lot of messages coming in between and my focus is going there. So yeah, tomorrow is expected because of that the volatility would be there in the market, and then we should actually so we should actually probably book the profits here. I would not be actively watching the market today. Not sure about tomorrow as well. So let's see how things go. However, we are already in some good profit in Gold and Good Plus. So I would suggest just book all the profits and monitor the day yourself. If at all any, if well, you could just quickly exit and book your profit and come out. But otherwise, if the market is kind of staying stable, then you could wait till end of the day to book the profits. Uh, but however, I would not advise to carry forward the trade today because today evening, Wednesday evening, the Federal Reserve meeting minutes are going to be out in the US. So if that comes out and if there is something positive there, there can be again chance of a big rally in the US. So that can actually put us into a trouble tomorrow with a big gap up. So that is one thing, and two, also the volatility for the monthly expiry. So it's better we book profits. We're already in good profit today, so that's something that can be done. If you look at some stock specific news, Vedanta is in news. Vedanta has again given an amazing dividend of they've announced a dividend of 17 rupee 50 paise per share. So if you remember last time they gave almost 25 rupees dividend. So along with this is actually making a very good return on the stock. So Vedanta could be in focus, and we could see probably some rally there. So that's something to be watched. Infosys and HCL. Infosys and HCL could be in focus. I'm not sure how clear this podcast is, but then, yes, if you look at the important levels, on the downside now 18,200 would act as a good support, and on the high, could be the next resistance. So that should be watched. So if we open at a gap up more than 18,300, there are chances that 18,300 can be taken as support, and we could see the market moving higher. However, since the Federal Reserve meeting details are expected today evening, I'm expecting the market to kind of consolidate today without big movements. But yes, the volatility could always be there. So that's it for now. Wishing you all a good day, and let's meet again tomorrow morning for the next podcast. Goodbye. Have a great day.